For us, Vanessa Borge, standing by in her red, all ready for Valentine's Day. She has a look at the traffic.
But first, let's get you over to meteorologist Lissette Gonzalez, also wearing her red for Valentine's Day. Good morning, ladies.
Of course, we've got to rock the red on Valentine's Day, guys. Happy Valentine's Day to you and to all of you at home. Happy Friday. TGIF, a live look from our downtown Miami camera. And here is a beautiful sunrise shot for you with just a few clouds in the mix. And yes, it's still chilly out there as we're waking up to 51 degrees in Fort Lauderdale, 52 in Miami, and we're seeing 60s down through the Keys. Wow, this bump is getting big. Sorry, I just noticed it. All right, 40s inland for Parkland, Coral Springs right now, Coconut Creek 47, 40 in West. I mean, look at this. All right, it's a special Valentine's Day for me. I'm sorry, you're going to have to bear with me as I have a little one on the way. She's almost here. Right now, radar and satellite showing that it is nice and quiet and dry. The breeze out of the northwest, anywhere from 5 to 9 miles per hour, and highs will be climbing to the low 70s today. It'll be a lovely day, bright winter sunshine this evening, 68 degrees. Now, the big question is, will we continue with this fantastic weather through President's Day weekend? I'll have details in just a few minutes. Right now, let's get a check of your traffic with Vanessa.
Looking lovely and pregnant in red.
That's right. It's Valentine's Day, and also we have a huge weekend ahead. President's Day weekend with the Coconut Grove Arts Festival, the boat show, and the weather is going to be perfect. All right, that's my Valentine's Day gift to all of you across South Florida, our loyal viewers. We consider you to be our morning family, and today Valentine's Day is not just about celebrating love and with your sweetie or your honey, but it's also about celebrating friendship. And for those of you who are going to be planning any special activities today or tonight, the weather is going to be fabulous. In fact, look at this live shot from our Fort Lauderdale camera right now. It is a beautiful start to the day and to the weekend. So here we go. Radar and satellite showing that we are mainly clear out there, courtesy of the cold front that swept across the state yesterday. High pressure is building in. The breeze out of the northwest, light anywhere from 5 to 9 miles per hour, but certainly a chill in the air as we're waking up to the low 50s near the coast. Right now, 50 degrees in Oakland Park, 51 in Fort Lauderdale, 52 in Miami, 50 in Homestead, and 60s down through the Keys, and even colder inland with the mid to upper 40s. So certainly bundle up the little ones. I would say grab a jacket, a sweater. By the afternoon, you'll be very comfortable as highs will be climbing to the low 70s and tons of bright sunshine. It'll be a lovely day this evening, nice and cool, upper 60s. If you're headed to Deering Estate for that live concert or maybe to the Barnacle, the weather will be cooperating. Now, if you're traveling, maybe hopping in your car headed to Central Florida, Orlando right now, 39 degrees. So we are literally freezing in Gainesville and Jacksonville, and below freezing 30 in Tallahassee. Let's check in on the rest of the country. Many of you may be hopping on a plane and traveling for the weekend. Only 3 in Minneapolis. Hopefully you're not headed there. 12 in Chicago, and we are seeing 30s from Boston through the Big Apple, D.C., Cincinnati, St. Louis, Atlanta, New Orleans. 40s right now in Texas, 50s in California, Pacific Northwest right now in the 40s, and we are seeing the 50s and the 60s. And thankfully not dealing with snow, sleet, ice, or freezing rain, or just a mess here that we're continuing to contend with across the Northeast and New England areas. And we're seeing a winter storm pushing across portions of the Midwest and into the Great Lakes. For us, it's a chilly start out there, but by the afternoon, it really will be pleasant as highs will be in the low 70s. Again, just wall-to-wall sunshine, and that is going to continue into the weekend. So make those outdoor plans. High pressures in control. Cool start tomorrow. We have a weak cold front that's going to reinforce that dry, stable air. So that means we'll continue to be cool Sunday morning, and then we'll enjoy bright sunshine in the afternoon hours, which is the deal for today. Highs in the low 70s, and the breeze will be fairly light. Tonight, still need to bundle up and check out the full moon. It'll be just bright and gorgeous. Coastal areas 59, inland 50 degrees, and no problems if you're boating. Seas 2 to 3, smooth on the bays. And the President's Day holiday weekend is looking fantastic. We'll see cool nights and mornings. We head into Sunday, 79. President's Day on Monday, we'll see lows in the 60s, highs in the 80s, so we'll be warmer early next week. Tuesday and Wednesday, highs continuing to be in the low 80s. Make it a great one, guys.